The 6 kinds of retiree theory was developed by Nancy Schlossberg, a psychologist. She studied how retirees dealt with retirement and developed the following 6 general categories of what retirees may do in retirement. They are easy gliders, adventurers, searchers, continuers, involved spectators, and retreaters. The first category, easy gliders, are individuals who just enjoy going with the flow. Their time is unscheduled and they often just enjoy relaxing. They typically have no interest in going back to work. These retirees are usually financially secure. Then there are the adventurers. They use the freedom of their newly found retirement to start exploring new activities, learning new skills, and starting new careers that are not related to their past work, such as learning to play the guitar, taking up motorcycle riding, or doing lots of travel. The third category is the searchers. Searchers continue to explore and look for a new niche or retirement role. This may mean rediscovering old interests or trying new careers, or it may be at the spiritual level. Then there are the continuers. These individuals often just continue to do in retirement the same kind of things that they did when they were working. But they may modify the activity to fit their actual retirement lifestyle and use the skills they perfected during their careers to pursue such activities as volunteering or teaching. And then there's the involved spectators, who maintain an interest in their previous field of work but assume, due to an illness or other condition, less active roles. For example, the retiree may have been an accountant for a charity, but now he or she only participates in the limited telephone fundraising for the charity. And then finally, there are the retreaters. Retreaters are retirees who have become disenchanted with retirement. This is a listing of additional YouTube videos on how to successfully make the lifestyle change from working to retirement. These retirement lifestyle educational videos are based on the book How to Successfully Make the Lifestyle Change from Working to Retirement. The book is available on eBay and Amazon.